This video shows how to replace the BOSS card on a PowerEdge XE2420. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. To begin, first, remove the system cover. Loosen the blue thumb screw on the front of the system and lift the system cover out. To remove the BOSS card, you must first remove the primary drive bay assembly and then the BOSS riser. Starting with the primary drive bay assembly, disconnect the PCIe and power cables. Now, loosen the blue thumb screw, slide the assembly, and then lift it out of the system. For the BOSS riser, holding the edges, lift it out of the system and keep it upside down on the ESD mat. For the BOSS card, remove the screw on the BOSS module and pull it out of the card. Then, remove the screw. And pull the blue latch to lift it out of the riser. To replace the BOSS card, insert it firmly into the riser connector until it is fully seated. And then secure it. Now, insert the BOSS module and tighten the screw. Next, reinstall the BOSS riser and primary drive bay. Holding the BOSS riser by the edges, insert the riser firmly until it is fully seated. Insert and slide the primary drive bay assembly on the system. Now, tighten the blue thumb screw and reconnect the PCIe and power cables. Finally, replace the system cover and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the BOSS card on a PowerEdge XE2420. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.